I'm doing an install on the very last Miwa NDS sliding door lock in existence. I bought this on eBay. These are fantastic. Unfortunately, now discontinued. So I'm installing it on a sliding door here in my friend's house. So the first thing I did was install the strike plate. And the next thing I'm doing is drill and install the latch. And there's a template. Put the template on the door, mark the center hole. I'm going to mark just one top hole, and then I'm going to drill 3/4 inch hole as per the instructions. So apparently you can't use the spacer as a template because that hole is in the wrong place. So you do have to use the template. So the holes are all drilled. I just have to go shorten the screws that hold the outside handle on, and then put the outside handle on, and then put the inside handle on. We'll be done with this job. So ready to install the inside handle now. This is the outside handle. Okay, we're all installed. This is how it works. I wish I had about 100 more of these. It locks the door, and then on the outside. Works like a charm. And the stop lock is going to stop it. And still got a 1/4 inch clearance here, so that should be good.